Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how we can hide notification or how we can hide the subscription status in Twitch. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go to right top corner and then to your profile and then just click settings. When you'll be right here, you want to click here on security and privacy. And when you're gonna have it, you're gonna see right, hide subscription status in the chat viewer card. Do not show your subscription status, tier or duration for any particular channel in your profile or chat card. And you just enable it and it's automatically going to get saved, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions guys, ask me down below in comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.